What if I told you the solution to our global water crisis isn't locked in some futuristic tech, but falling from the sky almost every single day? Welcome to Around the Awe, where science meets storytelling. Today we're diving into rainwater harvesting, a centuries-old practice that could save future generations from thirst. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is the simple act of collecting and storing rain for future use. But it's more than just buckets and barrels. It's a strategic system that channels rain into tanks, trenches, and recharge wells. And here's the magic. When done right, it doesn't just store water, it sends it underground, replenishing aquifers that millions rely on. How does it recharge groundwater? Let's break down the science. When rain hits the ground, most of it runs off into drains, streets, and eventually the ocean. But what if we could slow it down and guide it underground? Rainwater harvesting systems do exactly that. By channeling rain into specially designed recharge pits, trenches, or wells, we allow water to seep deep into the soil. This process mimics nature's replenishment of underground aquifers that supply drinking water, irrigation, and even ecosystems. Think of it like refilling a giant underground sponge. Over time, this stored water becomes a lifeline during dry seasons, especially in regions where groundwater levels are plummeting. And the best part? It's scalable. Whether you're in a city apartment or a rural farm, you can contribute to this invisible reservoir beneath our feet. Why it matters for future generations? By 2050, over half the world's population could face water stress, but rainwater harvesting offers hope. In regions with semi-arid climates, studies show that recharge pits can raise groundwater levels by up to 3 meters annually. That's not just a statistic, it's the difference between dry wells and thriving communities. This isn't just about today, it's about protecting tomorrow. Every drop we harvest now becomes a buffer against droughts, a safeguard for agriculture, and a promise to future generations that they won't inherit a world running dry. How can you start? Ready to take action? Start with your rooftop. Install gutters, connect them to a storage tank, and build a recharge pit. It's simpler than you think and scalable to your space. In urban areas, even small terrace setups can make a difference. In rural zones, trenches and percolation pits can transform seasonal rain into a year-round supply. You don't need to be an engineer. You just need the will to act. Communities around the world are proving that grassroots efforts can restore groundwater, one drop at a time. Rainwater harvesting isn't just a technique, it's a legacy, a gift we can pass on to future generations. So let's turn awe into action. Like, share, and subscribe to Around the Awe for more science-powered solutions. And tell us in the comments how you will harvest hope from the sky.